at Gardner White. This is going to be the scene, June 13th from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Our first Corvettes and Coffee. Yeah, we're going to have a good time right here. It's got 8748 West Saginaw, right here in the great city of Lansing. It's right next door to Bell Tire. It's a giant flag. Once you see that giant flag, you know that you are right there. And then once you look up in the parking lot and see all those Corvettes, you know you're in the right spot. Hey, you guys. Hey, man, it's me, Ed. This video is just a little bit different. This is an unboxing. I normally don't do unboxings, but I've been expecting a gift from Chevrolet for my 2026 C8. The last, I guess, free item that I'm going to get from Chevrolet. I believe this is it. So I'm going to kind of unbox it with you guys and show you what it is. It came in this box right here. I'm actually not expecting anything today, so when this came, I said, this has got to be it. So let's unbox it. It's gonna be a little goofy here, but let's see what we got here, y'all. Okay. This is it's not a replica. It is a mini version of my car. This is the way it comes right here, you guys. Let's see here. It's gonna be kind of difficult to get it out here. Okay. All right, so that's that. Let's see here. Trying to do my best I can. I'm not an unboxing guy, y'all. All right, so we got. Okay, here it is. Got the C8 emblem on it. Okay. It's got a little envelope here. Let's see what's in this envelope. A little note there from Chevrolet. A little congratulations on the car. And it has my VIN number on there as well. Right. So then this is, boom, there it is, y'all. That is silver. There she is. Let's try to get this all out in one piece. Here it is. Put it like that. Nice. Nice. Oh, that's great. All right, that is the model of my C8. Man, we're gonna be right here at Gardner White Furniture Store, June 13th, from 8 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock. We're going to have our first Corvettes with coffee right here in the great city of Lansing at Gardner White Furniture Store, 8748 West Saginaw. Come on out, bring your car out, enjoy yourself. It's just gonna be Corvettes and Coffee. It's gonna be our first annual Corvettes and Coffee. So I'll have out silver, you bring out your car, and we're just gonna sit around. We're gonna drink some coffee early in the morning, right before we get to our open houses, right before we get to our graduation ceremonies, right before we do all the things that we have to do on Saturday morning. We're gonna come out here to Gardner White and we're gonna talk Corvettes. Yeah, June 13th, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, right here, Gardner White Furniture Store.